Advertising your blog in your email signature. If you have a blog that you are particularly proud of, and that you want to share with other people, there are a lot of free ways that you can get your blog noticed. One of those ways is something that you do every day, and that you may not even consider as a way to share your blog. Put the link to your blog in your email signature. Chances are that you send out emails more times than you can count during the day. Each time you send out an email, you can advertise your blog by putting the address of your blog in your email signature. It's always a good idea to write something catchy like, "See what I am up to now," or "Read my latest chapter of my fanfic here," depending on what type of blog you have. The thing to remember about putting an advertisement in your signature for your blog is to make it short, but eye-catching. You want people to be interested enough to want to click on it, but you also don't want to scare them off. Just like it is with any advertisement, you want to give them just enough to be interested and take a closer look at what it is that you are advertising. Think about what it is that your blog is about. What is really going to interest people about it and want to visit? That is what you should include in your signature, and that is what is going to get people to go to your blog.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.